Hello everyone and welcome to a professional DevOps engineering channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be doing another ticket. We're going to learn how to write a script to authenticate bank users. This is part of file management now. So first what you're going to do is touch authorize.sh. Then first you're going to type all these groups of commands into the Sublime Text or Word document. Then you're going to write hashtag this script will deploy apps in the app directory. Echo, please enter your name, read name. Echo, the name that you entered is $name. Dollar name. Echo, please enter your PIN. Read PIN. Echo, your PIN is PIN. Dollar PIN. Echo, hello dollar name. Your entries are correct. Your logins are successful. Welcome to bank name bank. Then you're going to copy the script above and VI into authorize.sh. Escape shift ZZ to save and quit. And sh authorize.sh to see if it's running or not. And to see if it's running properly or not. Now we're going to do another ticket. This is how to write a script to securely authenticate bank users. You're going to touch authorizer.sh, new name now. In this script, you're going to echo, please enter your username, read username or name. The name that you entered is $username. Echo, please enter your password. Read -s password. Read -s secret Read -s enables you to input what you're writing. However, the user or anyone else around you cannot see what you are writing. We'll explain that in further detail once we're practicing on MobileXterm. Then you're going to echo your password is password. Echo dollar username. Your entries are correct. Your login was successful. Please, echo, welcome to Bank Name Made Easy, an online banking platform. Copy the script above and VI into authorizer.sh. Escape shift ZZ to save and quit, and sh authorizer.sh. Now let's go ahead and practice this in MobileXterm. Now that we're inside MobileXterm, our first ticket was to create with touch user authorize message. First ticket was how to write a script to authenticate bank users. Now we're gonna copy this. VI into authorize message. Paste. No. Shift easy. Message. Please enter your name. My name is Kyle. The name you enter is Kyle. Please enter password 989796. Wow, entries are correct. Your login is successful. Now let's do the same. Let's do the next ticket. What you're gonna do is touch authorizer.sh. Okay, now that we touched the authorizers, VI into authorizers. Copy this. Now let's use CZ. Sh this. My name is Kyle. Name of gender is Kyle. 989796. That's how to do it. Now let's explain this this read-s. Kyle. This is a regular read. In a regularly read, you can read what you have entered as well as the shell scripting. Now, this is read-s. Inside this, you cannot read what you typed down. Therefore, you cannot see anything. Therefore, it means it's more secure. So it's like when you're entering a bank pin, usually the pin will be in stars, right? But this is another way of making sure it's extremely secure so you don't see what it is. But in doing so, it can lead to some errors because you may not know what you typed at one time. So if you do it wrongly, it might log you out. We'll be talking about how to make this thing more accurate and how to determine if you typed it correct or not in our very later on video. So for now, thank you for watching today's video. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share, and share this video with your families. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.